Hello, I'm Ollie from Oxford Online English. Today we're going to talk about the difference between weak forms and strong forms in pronunciation. If you're watching this and thinking, what's he talking about? What are weak forms? I suggest you watch this weak forms video first so you understand the topic. First, let's review weak forms. A weak form is when we pronounce a word in a very fast, unclear way. Take this word, for. If you say it like that, just by itself, you'll say for like the number 4. But in a sentence, it becomes f. What about strong forms? The strong form is the full, proper pronunciation. So for has two pronunciations, the weak pronunciation, f, and the strong pronunciation, for. In this lesson, we're going to look at two questions. When do you need to use weak and strong pronunciations? And which other words have weak, strong pronunciations? So let's talk about using weak and strong forms. We'll look at a question. Question is, what do you do? Meaning, what's your job? In this question, the word do is used twice. Is it pronounced the same way both times? What do you do? No, it isn't. Can you hear it? The first do, after what, is weak. It's pronounced duh. The do at the end is strong. Do. So the sentence is, what do you do? Why is this? Why do we pronounce the same word in different ways? It's because the first do is just a grammar word. It's there to make a question and it doesn't have its own meaning. The second do is the main verb of the sentence. It has its own meaning. It's an important part of the sentence. So it's pronounced with the strong form do. Let's look at another example. Are you from Germany? Are you from Germany? Can you hear the difference? The first time I pronounced R with a weak pronunciation. Are you from Germany? The second time I used a strong pronunciation. Are you from Germany? What's happening here? Well, normally R in this question would be weak. Are you from Germany? Very quick, very short. But if you want to show surprise, or if you want to emphasize the question, you would use the strong form. Are you from Germany? Oh, I thought you were from France. Oh, you're from Germany. Oh, okay. I'm surprised. So, we use the strong, full pronunciation of a word when the word is an important part of the sentence, or when we want to emphasize the word to show some kind of strong feeling. Otherwise, we use the weak form. But now we need to think, which words have weak and strong forms? I'm going to show you 8 examples. So we have that, which can be pronounced that or that. Was, which can be was or was. There, the weak form is that. The strong form is there. Shall, which can be shall or shall. Some, which can be some or some. Am, which can be or am. Do, which can be duh or do. We saw that earlier. And can, which can be kun or can. Of course, feel free to stop, go back and listen to those again. I realize I went through them quickly. So what do you notice here? These words are all very common. They're all grammar words, which are used just to connect parts of a sentence. Also, the weak forms all use the same sound, the schwa sound. So it's very important that you can pronounce this sound correctly. I just gave you 8 examples. There are many, many more words with weak and strong forms. I couldn't possibly give you all of them. We'd be here all day. Just remember, almost every English sentence you say will have at least one word which has weak or strong pronunciations. So there you go. I hope that lesson was useful for you. If you want to see more of our free lessons, come to our website. You can also find a text and exercises which go with this lesson if you want to practice this topic some more. That's all for today. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.